Do you want to learn how to use multiple serial ports in your Arduino projects? Then watch this tutorial from start to the very end. Let's get started. Welcome back, my friends. As you know that Arduino has built-in support for serial communication on pin number 0 and 1, which is the default serial port of the Arduino Uno. And let's, for example, you are working on a project in which you also need to use the Bluetooth module and GSM module. These two modules also do serial communication with the Arduino Uno, but you have only one serial port in Arduino Uno. Then how you will use the Bluetooth module and the GSM module? Well, my friends, no worries. The SoftwareSerial Library has been developed to allow serial communications on other digital pins of the Arduino. So my friends, let's start with a header file, which is hash include softwareserial.h. And now we want to use one serial port for the GSM and the other one for the Bluetooth, and the Arduino default serial port will be used for debugging. So SoftwareSerial blue, this is going to be used for the Bluetooth, and pin number 2 and 3 will be used. So this is the RX and TX. Now SoftwareSerial GSM 7 and 8 and RX and TX. So over here the 2 is the RX and 3 is the TX, 7 is the RX and 8 is the TX. Now white setup. First of all, let's activate the serial communication. So serial dot begin 9600. This 9600 is the baud rate, and blue dot begin, which is also 9600, and GSM dot begin 9600. Okay. So now white loop, and let's write some messages. So serial.println message from computer, and blue.println message from Bluetooth, and GSM dot println message from GSM module, and let's give it a delay of 1000 milliseconds, which is equal to 1 second. Let's compile this. Now let's copy this hex file, Control C, and now open Proteus. I'm using an older version of the Proteus. It doesn't matter if you use a new version, so because as the basic functionality of the software is exactly the same. So Arduino Uno. Okay, so now add this. And now we will need the virtual terminals, which you can select from here. You click on the virtual instruments mode, and then from here you can select the virtual terminal. Now use one over here. So as you can see, the Arduino default serial port is on pin number 0 and 1. So pin number 0 is the RxD. So connect this with the TXT, and the TXT will be connected with the RxD, and let's keep its name computer. Okay, now we'll need another one, so use another one over here, and this is defined on pin 2 and 3, and pin 2 is the RX, so this will be connected with the TXT, and 3 is the TXT, so it will be connected with the RxD. And as you are using a third one for the GSM, so now double click and name this as Bluetooth. and this one will be used for the GSM. And it's on pin number 7 and 8. So 7 is the RX, so this will be connected with a TXT, and 8 is the TXT, so it will be connected with the RXT. So that's it. Now double click, and we have already copied the hex link, so now just paste this over here in the program file. Paste, okay, and now play. So now you can see we can communicate with the computer, with the Bluetooth module, and with the GSM module. Well, actually this is just for the demonstration purposes. Well, in real the baud rates can be different. For example, you can watch my tutorials on Bluetooth and GSM modules in which I use some different baud rates, but in this tutorial my main aim was to show you how you can use different serial ports. While in the upcoming tutorial, and I will show you practically how you connect GSM module and a Bluetooth module, your loads, and how you can read sensors. So subscribe to my channel right now, and I hope you like today's episode. If you have any question regarding this project or any other project, let me know in a comment. I would love to answer. And keep wisdom electronic clinic. See you in next episode. Bye bye.